Fridays are for customers. Every Friday, each one of us picks a task and tries to ship it to make someone really happy. Let's see what we got up to.
Hello Yoshi, thanks for your report on Bama Playground. Now you can run tests and at the same time you can open the sidebar as much as you want.
Hey Hunter, thanks for letting us know that our licenses were not getting set correctly in BAML Pi. That is now fixed, we have tracked it down, and we have also added a step to our CI to make sure that this doesn't happen again.
Vaibhav gave a popular workshop on prompt engineering in December of 2025. Baltifix was asking for notes from that meeting. They were a little hard to find, so I just added them to our blog.
Thank you, Luke, for submitting this PR that fixes ECMAScript modules. The only entry that you missed in the export map was the logging entry, but other than that, you nailed it, so this PR is being merged right now. Thank you for submitting it.
With Prompt Fiddle, you have the ability to see all your files and tests all in one place and run them. We were having some issues, though, with scrolling behavior that we released on a recent issue. And so now we've been able to fix that with a couple things by having our tests fly out like this. And we no longer have any issues with sizing.
Hi Zuski, thank you for reporting the issue where multimodal types weren't working with the OpenAI responses provider for BAML. We were actually rendering the prompt, but not rendering the actual content inside of the prompt. We've actually fixed this issue, and now as you can see, multimodal types for the OpenAI responses API works perfectly, the URL gets generated correctly, the preview works. And we've also gone ahead and added a bunch more tests into our core system, so we actually validate the core web API request is exactly what you'd expect. Thanks for your help, Zuski.
Hey Alec, so you called out for us that the way that aliases override enum value rendering was inconsistent, or is inconsistent today, between context.output format and enum values. And I am happy to report that this is now fixed. So if we alias the refund category enum value to give me my money back, you'll see that context.output format does exactly what you expect it to, but values are now also now instead of showing the string refund, now show like the actual alias. In addition, we have also added the ability to actually access enum values in prompt templates as just direct literals the way you expect it to. And this is pretty important because the reason that we would render enum values as the value string and not the alias is because the way that this used to work is that you could actually do something like this, where you would compare the enum value with the string representation of value. Starting in BAML 206, hopefully, this will no longer be allowed, and we will require users to actually use the enum literals in their templates moving forward. There are probably still one or two edge cases that we have to hammer out, but with any luck, we'll have it out in 206.0. Thanks.